अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू द ऑक्शन योर वे पॉडकास्ट। बिफोर एनीथिंग मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर लूँ। मेरा नाम हनान है। आई वर्क इन द फाइनेंस इंडस्ट्री, मगर राइट नाउ आई एम वर्किंग एज द कंसल्टेंट फॉर एक्सपर्ट बिड। तो अली, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। आप प्लीज अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं? हु आर यू, व्हाट्स एक्सपर्ट बिड?
Sure. Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम अली करीम है. I am the CEO of ExpertBid. ExpertBid is a online marketplace where we specialize in auctions and we specialize in connecting buyers and sellers and matching them to the right product, obviously.
अच्छा, ये प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करने का ख्याल कैसा है आपका?
So my background is basically from outside Pakistan. I was brought up in Dubai. I've studied in the US. So I've seen a lot of different things, right? यहाँ पर मैंने देखा कि there was a gap in the market. There was no marketplace where people can come and sell their products properly. So based on that, it seemed like there was a demand for it. So we created it.
अच्छा, तो मार्केट प्लेस का तो मुझे समझ आता है। I'm guessing it's pretty self-explanatory. It's like OLX, Daraz.
Sure.
मगर ये जो ऑक्शन हाउस का आपने बोला, इसका क्या मतलब है?
So what we do is we specialize in auctions. You can put up your own product on an auction. Let's say you have a property जो आपको निकालनी है, आपने लगा दिया करोड़ पे, आपको पता है कि 2-3 करोड़ तक जाएगी, आपने करोड़ पे लगा दिया. You set the time for 1 month and started. So like people will come, they will see it, they'll view it, they will bid on it, they will put their price, what they think they can afford or what they find reasonable or what they think is the fair value. And based on that, the price increases, and once the time limit is up, the highest bidder wins.
अच्छा, तो आप क्या सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी और ऐसे हाई वैल्यू एसेट्स के साथ डील करते हैं या?
So we are a complete marketplace. We don't look at only one industry, right? We don't look at only one category. We're a marketplace. We have to look at all categories. Right now, we are focusing more on real estate and vehicles. But if you look on our website, you'll find that it is filled with lots of different types of products. Household products, electronics, used items.
अच्छा,
You'll find like lots of different things.
तो थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन हो रही है मुझे। फर्ज करें कि मुझे अपना एक मोबाइल सेल करना है। मोबाइल की वैल्यू है 1.5 लाख।
Sure.
और मुझे पता है कि वैल्यू ये है, मगर मैं बिडिंग 1.5 लाख से स्टार्ट करूं। मैं सोचूं कि अगर बढ़ जाए तो अच्छा है, मेरे लिए ज़्यादा फ़ायदा है। मैं खरीदेगा कौन?
Sure. What you have to understand is that there are some basic principles in work when we are buying or selling in any place, right? First thing is that obviously you need to know your price. अगर आपको पता है कि 150 का है, so you know that is the most likely the highest price you can go for. What my suggestion would be on our platform is you list it at a lower price. It gains more traction. More people are likely to bid on it, and you'll get a better value based on that.
अच्छा, तो बेसिकली सेलर्स और बायर्स दोनों डिटरमिन करते हैं अपनी राइट प्राइस। ठीक है, तो इसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसी का क्या सीन है? लाइक हाउ ट्रांसपेरेंट आर यू गाइस?
So we are completely transparent. If you look at any of our pages, like any of our auction pages, you will find that every bid is recorded. So you will see that कौन था, किसने कितने बजे bid डाली है, क्या है. You'll see all of that data.
अच्छा,
Plus, what we do is when you're signing up, you have to fulfill KYC requirements. इसमें आपके NIC, आपके सब details वगैरह डालने पड़ते हैं. And that creates an additional layer of security, an additional layer of verification, prevents other people from abusing our platform.
As the CEO of ExpertBid, आप क्या बोलेंगे? Like, who is the platform for? बना किसके लिए?
This platform is aimed at everyone. घर बैठे हुए औरतें अपने सामान घर के सामान बेच रही होती हैं, अगर इनको बेचना होता है तो जो household used items होती है वो बेच रही होती हैं. We've got people selling their properties on our platform. We've got Arif Habib. We've got AKD. We've got like lots of different projects. We've got lots of different brands. We've got like सब है.
अच्छा, तो फर्स्ट करें मेरा एक दोस्त है, उसके अब्बू उर्दू बाजार पे काम करते हैं, तो उनके पास स्टॉक है बुक्स का, और आपको ये भी पता है कि डिमांड है पाकिस्तान में, इधर रीडर्स काफ़ी है, मगर कोई फिजिकली उधर जाना नहीं चाहता ऑब्वियसली. तो you're saying ExpertBid is a good option to meet sellers, to meet buyers?
For sellers and buyers, we are a matchmaking service, right? We connect the right buyer and the right seller. Looking at trends from around the world also, the जो बाजार वगैरह है, जो malls हैं, जो physical outlets हैं, उधर footfall कम हो रही है year by year. You can take a look at any country in the world, and that is how things are going. People are more reliant on e-commerce. They're more expectant on delivery. कि घर बैठे ही सब खुद आ जाए सामान. So it's happening. COVID के बाद तो obviously boom हुआ है ज़्यादा. So it's a lot easier for people.
अच्छा, ये बात है कि Extrabid is basically a new concept in Pakistan. ऐसा कोई currently existing concept या platform है नहीं. तो आप ऐसा बोलेंगे कि is there any sort of inspiration, कोई बाहर का platform हो जिससे आपने inspiration लिया?
Sure. Of course. If you take a look at eBay, it's a international marketplace. Pakistan से थोड़ा कम है obviously, but it's an international marketplace where lots of people are using it every day. And there's no such platform here, right? Then there's also liquidation.com जहाँ पर लोग अपने excess goods बेच रहे होते हैं. So it's like a few different marketplaces we've seen that we saw that there's a potential in Pakistan, and we brought it. We combined and brought it here.
सही. फिर अली भाई आपने ये तो clear up कर लिया कि what Extrabid is, who it's for. मगर फर्ज करे किसी को अब आज शुरू होना है, तो what are the steps, what are the requirements to create an account?
Sure. First of all, you come onto our website. You'll find login, sign up. Go there, sign up. You can sign up via Apple, Google, email, phone number. You normally होते हैं. So that way you sign up. You follow the required information जो मांगते हैं, वो you just fill that in. Name, email address, phone number, address. Then you fill in, then you do your KYC जिसमें आपको NIC और सब चीज़ें भी मांगते हैं. Once you fulfilled all of that, our team goes and inspects it, and they then will approve your account.
सही है, sounds good. फिर आप product list कैसे करते हैं?
So once you've got yourself registered, you have your KYC done, you've been approved. You then sell ka button hoga. You click that, follow the instructions. It's easy enough. You fill in all the information you have. You fill in the type, the category, price, kis tarah ka aapko sell karna hai, all of that.
That sounds pretty easy. So what about from the buyer's front?
Sure.
Like what sort of payment methods are accepted, or like what's the method of buying something?
So depends on the product, and obviously depends on the pricing. If it's a larger amount, then you'd have to transfer. Or in a smaller amounts के लिए वो card वगैरह भी चल जाता है. You can pay via card, you can pay via all those different payment methods.
अच्छा, तो ये I'm assuming छोटी मोटी चीजों के लिए like electronics and everything as you mentioned.
Yeah, obviously. Per properties वगैरह, what we do is we connect both buyer and seller. Then like they deal with it on their own. We don't do like in between that.
अच्छा, since properties आपने example दिया, properties, गाड़ियाँ, ऐसे जो assets हैं, इनका nature obviously अलग है. तो इनका listing process भी अलग है कि वही है?
Same. It's you sign up, like once you're on that sell page, you fill in which category it is, you fill in the required documentation. Obviously अगर vehicle या अगर गाड़ी या घर है, तो थोड़ा सा और additional documentation वगैरह requirements होती हैं, but apart from that it's about the same.
अच्छा, that all makes sense. मगर ये सब individual जो assets है और products है, इन सब की बातें हो रही है. अब फर्स्ट करें कोई wholesaler हो, wholesaler को Extrabid utilize करना है.
Sure.
तो wholesaler या फिर मेरे जो वो उर्दू बाजार वाले अंकल थे, तो बल्क में लिस्ट करने का कोई मेथड अलग है कि क्या है?
Again, no man, it's the same process. It's that one same cell format. You fill in the details, it asks you category, it asks you the description, product titles, what you'd be familiar with filling in on Daraz or on Amazon, or you'd be familiar on even OLX. इस तरह के similar categories हैं, इस तरह के similar information आप fill out करते हैं, and just follow the form, and it's easy enough.
So yeah, the process sounds very simple. Magar, I'm sure a lot of people want to know, okay, what about the after service? First करे कि एक deal हो गई है, buyer ने payment भी भेज दिया seller को, seller के पास आ गई है. How does the product go from the seller to the buyer?
So for most products, it's us doing the delivery. So once we have received the payment, हम लोग फिर seller से ship करवा के buyer तक पहुंचाते हैं. And once the buyers receive it and it's confirmed, then we release the payment to the seller.
अच्छा, फिर गाड़ियों की delivery और property deal की closing इसमें क्या आपको assistance देता है?
So we, as a marketplace, we have a few different types of way you can sell a product, right? One, you can sell on auction, which is what we are best at. Then there's two other types of listing, right? There's a listing where you just create a listing and people can click buy now, add to cart, इस तरह का normal product जिस तरह होते हैं उस तरह करके. And then the third way we have is you list it like on a yellow page, or the people will message you. So for properties and for vehicles, mostly इस तरह से जाते हैं. So people will message the agent or the seller or whoever it is. They will communicate. They will do all that together.
So yeah, the entire process sounds very straightforward, very simple. For someone who actually wants to use ExpertBid, आप क्या recommend करेंगे? Like, where can we find you? On your website?
Yeah, expertbid.com, best place. You can also check out our Instagram, Facebook. You can also download our app. We have an app on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store.
सही है अली भाई, thank you. और इधर ही एपिसोड खत्म होता है. अली भाई ने ExpertBid के बारे में सब कुछ बता दिया है, the process of signing up, what the platform is, etc. etc. आप खुद भी अभी ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं या फिर वेबसाइट में जा सकते हैं expertbid.com.